Your space is more than just walls and furniture. It's a reflection of your style, comfort, and personality. At Decoratr, we bring your dream interiors to life with creativity, craftsmanship, and elegance. Need fresh ideas for your home or office? Explore our curated interior design inspirations. Whether it's a cozy living room, a sophisticated office, or a modern kitchen, we have designs that match every taste. Experience the beauty of handcrafted woodwork. From elegant cabinetry to custom furniture pieces, our expert craftsmanship adds warmth and character to your space. Look up! Your ceiling deserves a transformation too. Our innovative false ceiling designs enhance ambiance, lighting, and style, making your interiors truly stand out. Add color to your life. Whether it's a bold statement wall, elegant wallpaper, or soothing pastels, we create the perfect backdrop for your interiors. Durability meets elegance. Our premium tile and granite solutions offer the perfect blend of strength, style, and sophistication for your floors and countertops. Need expert guidance? From renovations to repairs, our home improvement tips help you maintain a beautiful and functional space effortlessly. At Decoratr, we don't just design spaces. We create experiences. Let's bring your vision to life. Contact us today. Website www.decoratr.in. Call WhatsApp 783-8900-414. Book a consultation. Transform your space with Decoratr, where design meets perfection.